Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a YouTube short. So if you want to make a YouTube short, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So to upload video in the YouTube short, your video must be in the portrait view as you can see on the screen, and your video must be less than 1 minute or equal to the 1 minute. If your video will be longer than 1 minute, you won't be able to post it as short. So let's suppose you have video less than 1 minute and it's in the portrait mode. Simply go back and open your YouTube, log into your account on which channel you want to upload your short. Click on this plus icon. Now simply click on the create short and upload or record any short from here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.